Hello, good day. My name is Dr. Ricardo Cortez. I'm going to introduce you to our crew members. Professor Duander M. Del Aire, Sir Gerald M. Bautista, our engineers, Justin Gripon, and Rodney Belmonte. So, today, we're going to explain to you about the physical and chemical change. Let's start with the physical change. Professor, could you please explain what a physical change is?
Physical change is the process by which the identified properties or the intensive properties of the substance involved remain unchanged.
Sir Gerald, any more explanation?
Yes, physical change also involves in changes in physical properties or physical appearance such as size, shape, and density, or changes in phase such as solid to gas or liquid to solid.
Good. So, I'm going to give you an example of physical change with the materials like hammer, rock, papers, and leaves. As you can see, the rocks are separated. The paper will be shred, and the leaf will be also be shred.
Notice that the rock remains rock, the paper remains paper, and the leaf also remains leaf.
So, that's our explanation about the physical change. Thank you, and God bless.